Hey guys, Renee here with Thai Caliente, and on today's show I'm going to show you guys how to make a Thai cashew chicken. So I'm sure you've probably heard of cashew chicken in Chinese restaurants, but it's actually a pretty popular dish in Thailand as well. So if you're thinking about getting takeout tonight, don't. This homemade version is so much better, tastes better, is healthier for you, and best of all, you can add as many cashews as you like and not have to pay an extra fee. So let's go ahead and get started on the recipe.
So the ingredients for the Thai cashew chicken are diced white onion, some scallions or chives, dried chili peppers, cashews, either roasted, salted, or unsalted, as well as our soy sauce and honey mixture, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour that we're going to go ahead and pour into our sliced chicken and give it a good stir. This is really going to help keep the chicken moist and thicken our stir-fry sauce as well. Now we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil to a wok or deep pan to fry our cashews and chili peppers. You want to have the heat about medium-high, and this is only going to take a minute. Once you start to get some color on the cashews, then we're going to go ahead and remove them with a slotted spoon and then place them on a paper towel to drain. Now in the same wok with the oil, we're going to go ahead and add our sliced chicken breast that's been dusted with all-purpose flour, and we're going to go ahead and stir that well and cook it till it's almost done. The chicken should be almost fully cooked at this point. And now we're going to go ahead and add our sauce mixture of soy sauce and honey. The original recipe calls for soy sauce and oyster sauce, but you can use what I did, a combination of a no soy sauce or a gluten-free soy sauce. And then we're going to add our diced white onions and our chives or scallions. I like to save a little on the side so I can garnish it once the dish is done. And we're just going to give it a good stir and actually add some water if the sauce looks a little bit too thick at this point. So just to thin it out a little bit, because the flour will create a thicker sauce. And at this point, once everything starts to soften a bit, we're going to add the cashews and chili peppers that we had fried in the oil earlier. And since those are already cooked, we're just basically stirring this to incorporate everything, and our dish is finished at this point. So go ahead and serve this with some steamed rice, some cauliflower rice, and you'll have a meal that's better than takeout.